What's going on, everybody? Dave back again, and I thought I'd make a real quick video showing you guys, well, one, what I've been working on while I've been laid up, and then two, so these are the figures from the Solar Wars box. These are, of course, Warhammer figures, nighthaunt. And I wanted to show you because I've seen a lot of people posting up pictures and videos of them building and painting them, and there's not a lot of preparation time put into them. These are really great sculpts and everything, but as you can see, you know, there are big joining pieces, seam lines, things like that. And if you're just looking to get them on a table and everything and you don't care what they look like, you know what? That is perfectly fine. I myself I don't play. I like building, detailing, and painting them. But I figure, you know, why not put your best foot forward if you're ending up building? Now, the things that I end up using is Tamiya extra thin cement. I use a pair of Tamiya, or not Tamiya, but the Vulcan nippers. I did do a video on those, so definitely check that out to be able to pick up a pair of those. They are completely awesome. And a Tamiya small hobby knife. And I actually prefer the small blade versus a normal blade. It's just much more versatile. Sorry about all the shakiness, because I'm sitting on my couch. Okay, so like when I showed you with this one, you get some funky joining pieces on here. You know, you can see that big old seam line that's right there. Versus this right here. Once it's all primed up and everything, you're not even going to see that there is a seam line, any nub marks, anything like that. And, you know, it's just my personal preference. I think it looks a lot better if you just put in the extra time and get rid of those. But again, if you're just looking to, you know, just tear them up and get them on a board, make them board worthy, then, you know, go for it. But literally all I have ended up doing, I haven't even used sanding sticks on these. All I've been doing is using the backside of the hobby knife and scraping the seams. That's all it takes, guys. Just you're basically resculpting the pieces with using the back of the hobby knife to eliminate those joining marks. So if I set these up side by side, I'm kind of in a weird position, so sorry guys. I cannot wait until I can actually keep my foot down and be able to work on stuff. But here they are where you can see them side by side. That looks so much cleaner and better doing it that way. By the way, I ended up getting I have a folding table here next to my couch, and I ended up getting this LED light. It is so freaking awesome. It was only 20 bucks. I am actually going to do a review on it. But you can adjust the lighting up, down. You can change the color temperature. And my camera's auto-adjusting to that. But it's actually really awesome. I'm so glad that I ended up picking this up. I will do an actual formal review on it here fairly shortly. Once I can get up to the desk and the actual good camera and use my computer to edit. But yeah, I just wanted to make this short and sweet. I have everything else pretty much all built up. I'm going to be doing little short reviews on each of the pieces for the Soul Wars and all the little individual ones that I ended up getting, and then start painting on them. I'm going to sit down and do a marathon of priming in black and then zenith highlighting in white, and then going from there with painting them. As usual, guys, I will see you guys all in the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me during my sick period. I will see you guys all in the next video. Peace out.